Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to send Bitcoin in the Guarda Wallet app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Guarda Wallet app, and once you open it, you need to re-enter your password, get back to your account and unlock your wallet. So once you have unlocked your wallet, you will end up in this page. Simply press on the BTC option. Now here you can find the send option. So tap on it and you will end up in this page. Now you can even send your Bitcoin to any address. However, to load in your wallet, you need to tap in the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and just enter it and press on the continue button. So this is how you send Bitcoin to your Guarda wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.